Hey guys, how's it going today? Right now I'm about to set up the big Agnes Tiger Wall UL2, and I have only set this up once, but I didn't put the rain fly on. It was just the bug net in my room, so I wasn't able to fully set it up. But it is a semi-freestanding tent, and I'm going to do a first impression / set video, so enjoy. Alright, so let's see what we got here. I got the ground sheet too to come with it, so I just stuffed Zach of that in the top there. And let's pull it out and set it up. Set that aside. Alright, so it looks like we've got the rain fly, tent pole. That's the ground sheet that I stuck in there. Stakes. And then the actual tent body itself. So the first thing we're going to do is set up the ground sheet. Alright, so after you lay out the ground sheet, we're going to put the tent body on top. So there's two grommet holes over there which coincide with the head end. So we're just going to line those up. And then one in the center down here that lines up the foot end. Get the tent stakes here. So, start assembling them. Looks like this is the spreader bar here. And they're color coded too, which makes the setup really super easy. So, these two poles over here will go at the head end where the two grommets are in the tarp, or the body of the tent. And they're slightly curved down, so make sure you put that side down. And when we stick the foot end in, make sure we stick it through the tent body and the ground sheet. And we'll do the same thing on the head end. So as I'm setting this up, you'll also see these buckles, and there's one on the ground sheet and the tent. So if you have just the ground sheet and it's a really nice summer day and you don't need the bug net on the main tent body, you can set this up in what they call fast fly formation, and these clips are where the rain fly clips in. So if you're not using the main tent body, then you can just clip it straight onto where the ground tent goes. Next step is just to clip the main tent body onto the structural pole. Bars here. There's some little clips here that just go over the pole, and it's on a ball bearing, so it kind of swivels. There's a closer up look of that. It's just rounded off, so when it sticks in there, it can kind of move around. Next step is to stake out the corners. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is stake out right at the base of where the pole goes in. Pull it tight. I'm not exactly sure why the ground sheet is so much longer. So I'm just going to tie a knot in the end so that we can get some tension on that. Stick it through both now. And then the last section here, the foot pole. Okay, so there we have the main screen set up. One thing I can tell you already, what I see, is I'm going to love the double door access on each side, but also how high the head end is. So I should be able to sit up straight in there. When you're done with any small stuff sacks for poles or stakes, just put them in the main tent bag so you don't lose them. Alright. Those in my pocket. Set this thing up. So, there are two white buckles here. They're going to match. The white buckles at the base of the tent body. Put those in. On each side. Foot end, and this loose piece of extra large tubing here that's on the pipe is an emergency field repair kit, just in case any one of these joints or the poles snap in any spot. Then you can slip that over and repair it, so you can keep going in the field when you're out on the trail. Alright, another thing I just learned. So for the corners of the rainfly, I believe you just clip them to the other tent pegs there. And that is pretty neat. Now we'll stake out the front. In. We'll go around and stake up this side as well. And then there's some extra guy lines at the foot and head of the tent body. Oh, that's nice. We've got a tensioner there. Alright. And that'll just serve for some extra stability during big storms. same thing on the other side. And I believe on the head end here, where you've got two guy lines in line with the pole, I believe we'll stake them out with the same stake. So when you first unravel it, you see these tension lines right here. So we're just gonna pull this loop that's looped over there. It's going to there, and then that'll keep the line tight when it's under tension. And this one's a little looser, so now we can just pull that tighter until it's about taut. All right, let's get inside. There's tabs on the side here to hold the door back. Like so. Okay. So there she is, all set up. Alright, here we are inside. There's a nice big, huge mesh pocket in here. I could actually put my shoes in there, and there's still tons of space. That's super easy. Up here at the head end, it's another pocket. Looks like a media pocket. There's like little headphone symbols here with space where they can come through. And then there's a pocket at the head end on each side, right behind the logo. So, first impressions. This is a great tent. So I am 6'2", and sitting right here, just relaxed. My head doesn't touch the top. Now if I really stretch up, my hair will just brush it, but yeah, really lots of room in here. Some good tie-up points on the inside here, I believe. Big Agnes sells an extra gear loft that you can put up there to hold extra gear. But yeah, overall, really good tent. I really like the double door and vestibule, huge vestibule. Easily fit my packing gear out there. So yeah. If you enjoyed watching this video and this gear review, please hit that like button and subscribe. It would really help me grow my channel. And I hope you enjoyed watching, and check back for more gear reviews coming soon. I've got one coming out on a hammock soon, a really cool lay flat hammock from Norway, and also the Grail GeoPress purifier bottle. So if you want to see those, hit that subscribe button, and please come back for more. All right, I'm about to disassemble the tent, and I'm gonna set my watch here. Alright, 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Not bad at all to pack up the Big Agnes Tigerwall UL2. So, first impressions, I'm really impressed with this tent. I really kind of like how the yellow fabric is a little bit see-through, but super lightweight. I didn't mention the specs in the beginning, but I will put them on screen here and let you know how much it weighs. And also, if you are watching this right when I post it, or the week of March 12th, REI was running 30% off Big Agnes products. So that was my local one here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I don't know if that's everywhere, but definitely something to check out. And I also put a link to Big Agnes, this website, in the description if you want to go ahead and get this tent. So thank you for watching. Again, like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And until then, stay in the outdoors.